What's up, YouTube? It's Dale again. Just wanted to bring you the last and final update from the Adirondacks on the Slacker bus. Unfortunately, my time here is coming to an end rather quickly. I have to leave tomorrow to go back to Florida and take care of some personal business down there. So let me get the camera turned around and we'll show you what's been going on here and where we're at. We'll walk over here to the bus. Once again, a lot of you have seen the outside of it. You know, I got the side table put in, a work light just over top of it, a USB 12 volt. Also on the top, I got the roof deck brackets installed, and they're right now I just bolted the uprights up onto the top of the bus so I wouldn't actually have to keep track of them. They're in a good spot. I got to get the crew going. They're all got a few projects we're just trying to get buttoned up, and then I'll start. I've already actually started packing things up, but let me go inside here and kind of give you a quick update of what's going on. Obviously, there again, everybody knows I got the floors put in, and the walls are all finished, and the roof. And this is all locally sourced wood from a sawmill just up the road from us. Got a good deal. Actually, once again, got the LEDs installed in the roof. Right here, right behind the driver's seat, is a 3-drawer file cabinet that I cut down. It will also have a small table here that I'll be able to use to work or eat at. In the bus, as you can see, I've got the cabinets installed, got the countertop mounted, and the stove put in. Underneath the stove, at some point, I'll be making a small cabinet under there. Have a little bit of storage. There again, Mike's here.
I'm here.
He's working.
Oh, we're not really working. We're
packing.
We're tying
finishing
things
up.
We're tying things up.
Unfortunately, we got to working on the electrical system, and we've run into a couple of snags, which Mike will probably go into on the next video on Navigation Nowhere. And there again, no problems, only solutions.
No, it just means I gotta come to Florida now. I gotta come to Florida.
Well, that's the solution. I've got to get Mike to fly down to Florida, probably sometime mid-February. Look, Dean. Hey. Oh, let me introduce some of you guys. Some of you guys will know this guy, the one making all the noise.
Yeah, this is one doing work right now.
This is
Dale's working. He's making the video.
If anybody recognizes Dean, he's formerly of the Schoolie. Now he's simply Uncool Dean.
Yeah, I'm just Dean.
Uncool Dean. And he actually came in. He didn't come to see me. He came to see Mike. Let's be honest about it.
I came to help Dale.
You did, and you are. That's the great thing about it. There again, we are not at this time putting in the solar system. What we installed was a 30 amp plug on the outside, and then it comes in, or will come in, to a converter which turns 120 into 12 volt. So I will also be able, once that's all hooked up, I'll have 12 volt will work and my 120. The problem we had was we ordered this converter, which is one that Mike's used in the past, from Amazon. And when you order it from Amazon, just as a side note, it does not come with the breakers, even though it shows them in the pictures. So,
but if you order it from the manufacturer directly, it does come with the breakers.
Yeah, so that's something to keep in mind, because when you live in a small town of 300 people and the closest hardware store is an hour and a half away, sometimes you just have to go, okay, we'll get this at a later date.
Well, the closest hardware store is the grocery store.
Yeah, technically, this is true. And for a grocery store, they actually have a pretty decent selection. But there are certain sizes that are just really popular, and so they get bought out real quick. Anyway, so as you can see, we got the lines run for the electricity I'll have 3 outlets on the driver's side, 1 in the back where eventually my AC will go. That'll be back here. Then the refrigerator will be in this area right in here. And then there'll be 1 at the dinette. Unfortunately, what we discovered is when we bought these gang boxes, you know, because we were going for a cabin rustic look, we bought the metal ones. Unfortunately, the plugs don't fit in them. So we can't use them. So even though they're all installed and they look pretty, all of that's got to come back out, be redone.
New boxes.
New boxes.
Yeah,
I mean,
boxes.
we'll use the same. Dean,
I'm the
Dean,
worst.
I'm trying to do a video here. I've got, you know,
I
about...
only got a limited amount of time. Hey, where'd you get that?
There's my leftover from yesterday.
What are you doing there, Dean?
I'm gonna say you don't fall through when you sleep.
Hey,
Okay.
Yeah,
I don't-
lower, in fact.
All right. Well, you know, that's a good thing about being a supervisor of a great crew. You just tell them what you want, and they get it close.
And then he tells us to stop.
Anyway, so there again, this is the temporary countertops installed. The other one we cut to length the other day, and it'll get loaded into the bus. I am going to be taking quite a bit of this Adirondack pine back to the south with me, because I still obviously have to build the dinette and everything else. Well, I got some, you know, trim painting to do, some little bit of this and that, and as soon as they get this little bit of jobs done, I'm going to start packing everything back into the bus, and I will be leaving for Florida in the morning. So that's pretty much all I got to tell you this time around. Like I say, at some point in the future, you know, I will be posting some other videos. Hopefully, once I get the dinette built back in Florida, I'll get a video out on that. And anyway, just keep watching. Go over to Navigation Nowhere for a little bit more detailed post about the bus. He's got a couple of videos up already, and he'll probably post 1 or 2 more. And then he'll move on to some other projects. And then when he gets down to Florida, obviously, he never goes anywhere without his camera. So when he gets to Florida,
we'll get something.
we'll get some more footage for you. And until then, stay safe, have fun, keep all your projects on the move or rolling, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace out.
Bye.
Dean, what was that?
Peace out.
Peace out. Michael, any last words?
No, we're just sad you're leaving, Dale.
I
Like
really...
we're working so hard to get this done because you're leaving, but it's like we're rushing to get it done so that you leave. It's like a catch-22, you know?
Yeah,
You can't do anything about it.
I know.
Does that work?
That's the way it goes sometimes. Anyway, until next time, y'all be good. Bye.
Are these ever going to be screwed down, or are they just going to be sitting always so you can open it?